Hello, guys, welcome to the Rich Boy Tech channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to instantly change any Facebook password. First of all, let's log into Facebook on the laptop and try to change the password or add an email to it to see if it will work. As you can see, when we wanted to change the password, it required us to enter a code that was sent to the WhatsApp number account that was connected to the Facebook, so we don't have access to the number or WhatsApp number. Let's try and add an email to the Facebook account. As you can see, we are still having the same error message. Okay, now, let's try and log out other devices that have already logged into this Facebook before. As you can see, there are 5 more devices that have already logged into this particular Facebook account. Let's click on Select Devices to log out, select All, and click on Log Out. As you can see, the Facebook account is still demanding a WhatsApp code. So to bypass all this stress and easily log out of other devices and change passwords, all you have to do is log into your Facebook account on a mobile device, such as the Facebook mobile app, or log into Facebook on a Chrome mobile phone browser. Once we log in, you can see that there are devices that have successfully logged into this account, so to log out the rest of the devices and change the password, all you have to do is log into the same Facebook account on another Facebook mobile app. Make sure you have 2 Facebook apps on your phone. You can choose to log in on the Facebook mobile app and use the Google Chrome mobile browser. So open the other Facebook app on your phone and click on Forgot Password, input the number or email of the Facebook account, then click on Continue, and choose the right account that you have already logged in on your device. Facebook will alert you that they will send you a Facebook code. Click on Try Another Way, and you will see Get Code via Facebook notification. Click on it and click Continue. And then Facebook will send a code to the mobile device you have logged in on before. Go back to the app you have logged into Facebook on before to get the 6-digit code. Refresh the app if you didn't see the code on time. As you can see, our code is 661,949. Copy and paste the code on the other browser or device. It will then prompt you to create a new password. Input the password you want to change the Facebook to. And if you want to log out other people that have access to the Facebook account, you can click the box that says Log Out of Other Devices. So let's check for the last time how many devices already logged into this particular account. As you can see, there are not 7 devices. So we will input our new password and select Log Out of Other Devices. Let's refresh the old devices that Facebook logged in on before. As you can see, it automatically logged out of the Facebook account. So let's check now how many devices now have access to Facebook. As you can see, it's now only one device. So this is how you can log out other people from using your Facebook account. Note this for educational purposes only. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to the Rich Boy Tech channel to get useful tips like this every day. Thank you.